My main challenges in motherhood, where to start?
I was allowed to be me totally here. I was accepted and I was heard, I was seen. So everything I needed to be able to put the power from within to outside.
Motherhood is a personal transformation. Birth is a kind of threshold where everything changes. It's not just a baby is born, a mother is born.
Modern society, we've quite lost our connection with other mothers and other families, so when we come into being a mother, it's suddenly we haven't necessarily had the role models that our ancestors would have had, so it can feel quite isolating and very much new territory that we're really unsure of how to navigate. And so the Mother Nature project really helps us to understand that journey and to provide a map of that human behaviour that happens in this transition time.
I think there's so much support and healing that can happen just when moms come together and allow themselves to take time for themselves to reflect on their emotions, on their well-being, and take the time to step back for a little moment and get out of this daily rush. And it shouldn't be a privilege, it should be something that's for granted, that every mom is able to take time for herself and to look within what she needs.
Today I have this image of like all the different rivers coming together and building one ocean, and that like we need all the women's energy, but it's fine if one of us just sometimes floats like on the water.